and good morning. It's a beautiful morning. I'm in such good mood. It's so good to be here with you guys again. I'm happy to have you back again and very excited to share this video with you. So, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you're watching from. Welcome back to Ivy Skin Bio channel. Yes, so today I'm going to show you how you can make cream whitening base or whitening cream base. Yes, and so this cream base, I'm using just one carrier oil, because this carrier oil is beneficial to every skin type. Say from a normal skin to oily skin to dry skin to sensitive skin. Oh my goodness, this oil, which is grapeseed oil, is beneficial and good for all skin type. And the good thing about this cream base is that you can also use it for your face. Yes, that's why I'm using only grapeseed oil for it. So the benefits of grapeseed oil for your skin is it moisturizes the skin, because without moisture in your skin looks dry and flaky. I don't care how light or whatever young you are, you cannot have a cream without moisturizer in it, moisture in it. Moisturizer helps to make your skin look younger and healthier, and it restores collagen into your skin. Lack of collagen is what causes wrinkles fast and makes your skin look flaky and makes your skin like stretch marks. The part where you have stretch mark is because of damage and lack of collagen. So with grapeseed oil, it helps restores collagen in your skin, and it helps tones the skin, gives it a very youthful glow. It reduces scarring, so if you have any scars like spots from acne and even stretch mark too, it helps reduce. So when it comes to powder, now I just spoke about the oil and I spoke about some other ingredient. Now powder is another essential part for your whitening cream base. I use only Sepi White, but you can use any other powder. Say like you can use kojic powder, kojic acid, excuse me. You can use that powder. You can use giga white. You can use niacinamide, which is vitamin B and B12, and you can use glutathione, and you name it. There's so like mulberry, abortine. You can, but abortine is a higher like a grade, upgrade, a higher grade of hydroquinone. Yeah, so you can use so many other powders, but I just chose to use one, so you can just play around with this and see what works for you. I've been using this method for a long time and it's been beneficial to my skin. Now, cream base, as we all know, is just the base for skin whitening product. You have to add your other ingredients, so that will be in another video. So you just go ahead and make this cream base. You can use this cream base like it is. What you would do, it will tone your skin, like, but it will take time. So with the whitening ingredients, then it will do the most. Yeah, give you the whitening benefits that you seek. And yeah, so let's get straight right to it, and I'll show you how to make it. So here I have my ingredients ready to make my whitening cream base. I have my Gemma Plus Preservative, rose water, boiled distilled water, Sepi White powder, 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon vitamin C powder, tea tree oil. I'm going to need only 1 teaspoon of that, not tablespoon, teaspoon of that. I'll put all the measurement in the description box. My trusted grapeseed oil, Beauty Series skin oil, Bio-Eclat Whitening Glycerine, Lactic Acid 88%, Vitamin E capsule 2000 ml. And inside here I have my E.wax 3 tablespoons, stearic acid 1 tablespoon, and cetyl alcohol 1 tablespoon, all in there, melted from the microwave. So the first thing I'm going to add into this is my boiled water. I'm adding just about 100 ml first. That's what I'm adding. Then from here on, I'll add my Sepi White. The Sepi White has to be added while the mixture is about more than 110 degrees, at least a minimum of 70 degrees, or else your Sepi White will not dissolve. So I'm adding my Sepi White now. Stir that properly to make sure they're all incorporate and dissolve properly. Then the next thing I had is the rose water to bring the temperature to about at least 80 to 90 degrees. So I had my rose water now, and vitamin C. Yes, I had my vitamin C and I had my rose water there. Stir it, stir properly. Very good. All right, so my whitening glycerine goes in. I'll put all the measurements in the description box. My beauty series oil, there you go. And I know my measurement by my eyes, don't mind me. I already made my measurements before shooting this video. So here, the product is thick, but right here it gets tricky. You add more rose water or distilled water, room temperature, no more hot water, because the more you add, the more cooler it gets, the thicker it gets. But my target is 1000 ml of cream base, so I keep adding my rose water and stirring. I'll use my stick blender later, but for now I just want to stir and keep adding my rose water. The more cooler the product gets, the more thicker it gets, so it gets really tricky. You add as much water as you want depending on the consistency you want. Here I'm adding my lactic acid. This is a teaspoon, so I want 10 ml, which is 2 tablespoons. So I'm adding 4 teaspoons, which is equivalent to 10 ml. Yeah. So lactic acid goes in there. I am careful not to add my lactic acid when it's still hot. I only add it when it's about 20 degrees or less, so the lactic acid doesn't burn and destroy the components of the cream base. So after that, now I can add my preservative when it's much cooler. As you can see, the rose water is in there. That means the cream is getting cooler. You don't add preservative while it's still hot. And I'm trying to use my stick blender. As you can see, it's still getting thicker and the volume is increasing, right? Yeah. So I had to turn off my camera and stop shooting to use both hands to blend properly. And you can see how smooth that is. 1000 grams, which is equivalent to 1000 ml of whitening cream base. Yay, we did it, right? So yeah, it's ready. As you can see, thick, smooth, and lovely. Now you can add some other ingredients if you have, and you can take from here and scoop and use for your face and your body. Well, I hope you learned something today, and just know that this cream base, you can store it in your fridge. You don't even have to store it in your fridge. I just love storing mine in the fridge. You can store it in a cool, dry place, like a ventilated place, whichever, because there's preservative in them, so in the cream, so it doesn't matter. The shelf life for this cream is say 6-8 months to 1 year, trust me, even more with Gemmel Plus, yes. And please understand that you can use this cream base for your face as well. You can, but you have to understand your skin type, if it's normal skin, if it's sensitive skin, so that way you know the best ingredients to put in your face cream so you don't have breakouts or you don't have patches on your skin. Now I hope this helps, and I also look forward to your comment. And please support the sisters channel by subscribing. Hit the notification bell so that you'll be alerted whenever I post a new video. Okay, and just so you know, my next video I'm going to show you how to make three different face cream. Yes, three different face cream, all from this cream base that we made today. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. I love you guys. I can't be here without you. Because of you, my channel will grow. I believe so. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye.